In this video, I'll show you how to update FL Studio on your Mac to the latest version step by step. Updating FL Studio ensures you get the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes, so it's always a good idea to keep the software up to date. Let's get started. First, make sure FL Studio is completely closed on your Mac. If the app is still running in the background, close it before starting the update. Next, open any browser on your Mac, such as Safari or Google Chrome. Go to the search bar and type FL Studio Download, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official ImageLine website. You can also find the direct download link in the video description if you want to access it faster. Once you're on the ImageLine website, scroll down until you see the macOS download section. Click the download button for the Mac version. The installer will now start downloading. Most browsers will save the file to your Downloads folder. Wait for the download to finish. Next, open Finder and go to your Downloads folder. Locate the file called flstudiomac.dmg, then double-click it to open the installer. A new window will appear. Inside that window, double-click flstudioinstaller.pkg to begin the installation. Now simply follow the installation steps. Click Continue a few times. Review the license agreement, then click Agree. Choose the installation location. For most users, the default option is perfectly fine. Next, click Install. You may be asked to enter your Mac password to continue. Enter your password and click Install Software. The installation process will now begin. This may take a few moments. Once the installation is finished, click Close to exit the installer. Now open Finder, go to your Applications folder, and launch FL Studio. If macOS shows a message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, simply click Open. Once FL Studio launches, you can confirm that the update was successful. Click Help in the top menu, then select About to check that you're running the latest version. Next, click Unlock FL Studio and sign into your ImageLine account. If you're already signed in, your license will automatically activate, so there's no need to reactivate anything. And that's it. You've successfully updated FL Studio to the latest version on your Mac. You can now enjoy all the new features, improvements, and fixes included in the latest release. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and helpful Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.